Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. If you are experiencing the vexing 1110 error code during the restoration or update of your device via iTunes, which results in the device entering recovery mode, displaying the Apple logo, or getting stuck on the reset screen, do not despair. In today's video, we will guide you through resolving the iTunes 1110 error and restoring your device's functionality. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. A force restart is a relatively effective method. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. If this method does not work, you can try the second method, which is to repair your iPhone using Apple devices. Method 2. Use Apple devices to repair iPhone. If the above method does not work, you can use Apple devices to solve the problem. First, connect your iPhone to the computer. Press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and then hold the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. Open Apple devices, and it will prompt you to update or restore the iPhone. If you want to update without losing data, choose Update. If you do not want to update or keep the data, choose Restore. Here we click Restore and then follow the prompts in Apple devices to download the appropriate firmware for system repair. If an error occurs during this process, I suggest using a more efficient method. Method 3. Repair iPhone with UltFone iOS System Repair. If the problem persists, you can use UltFone iOS System Repair for a standard repair. It is an iOS system repair software that can resolve over 150 system issues without affecting your data. Common problems can be fixed in this way, and you can find the official UltFone download link below the video. First, connect your iPhone to the computer. Put your iPhone into recovery mode by pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally holding the power button until it enters recovery mode. Open UltFone and click the Start Repair button. Select Standard Repair, then download the corresponding firmware and wait patiently. Once the download is complete, start the standard repair process. The software will automatically fix the device's system issues. It takes about 10 minutes, and once the repair is complete, your iPhone can be used normally without losing any data. Method 4. Contact Apple support. If none of this helps, it may be due to hardware damage. At this point, you have the option of contacting Apple support for a proper diagnosis. They can check if there is any missing hardware. Therefore, it is necessary to visit the Apple website to make an appointment for further help. If you find this video helpful, we kindly ask you to support us by liking and subscribing to our channel. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and we will be very happy to assist you. See you in the next video.